Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, we will read the poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark by Ruskin Bode from Class 4, English textbook Marigold, prescribed by NCERT Unit 5. The elements of video are recitation and explanation of the poem, new words with their meaning, rhyming words, question answers, compound words, opposite words, and some other textbook exercise questions. So kids, poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark is a short poem by Ruskin Bode, where the poet tells a little child not to be afraid of the dark and explain why it is important for the night to come after day. So, let us recite the poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. Don't be afraid of the dark. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. In these two lines, the poet asks the little child, the little one, that not to be afraid of the dark and explain why it is important for the night to come after day. The poet says that it is important for the sun to go down after the whole day, so that the earth can take rest during the night and everyone can sleep peacefully. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Here, the poet explains that how the sun can be harsh by shining too strongly upon the earth, but moonlight never. He tells the child that at night the moonlight is always pleasant and calm, and the stars shine forever. Night is a friend to us, and there is nothing to be afraid of it, and nobody can harm him. Be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Here, be friends with the night, there is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. In this line, the poet wishes the child to be friendly with night because there is nothing to fear. He also tells that let your thoughts travel to friends far and near in our dreams and just be happy. There is nothing to fear at night. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. In these two lines, the poet tells to the little child that night is peaceful and calm, as at night we can take relief from our daily work, and this time we remain free from worries and troubles of the day. So there is nothing to be afraid of the dark, as night is friendlier than a day. So kids, it's the poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. Now let us learn some new words from the poem. Afraid, meaning scared or frightened. Dark, meaning no light or gloom. Next new word is rest. And the meaning of rest is relax. Next word is harsh, meaning too strong and bright to bear. Forever, meaning always or for all time. Troubles, meaning problems. Next word is cease, meaning end or stop happening. Now, let us learn some rhyming words from the poem. 1 rhymes with done. Never rhymes with ever or forever. Fear, and rhyming word for fear is near. Cease rhymes with peace. Now move to the question answer part of the poem. And first question is, what is the poem about? And the answer is, the poem is about those kids who are afraid of the darkness of night and fail to understand how to overcome that fear. Next question is, what happens when the day is over? And the answer is, the sky becomes dark and lighted with the lights of moon and stars. Question 3 is, what does the earth do when the day is over? And answer is, when the day is over, the earth takes rest. Our next question is, what does the poet want us to do at night? And answer is, the poet wants us to be friendly with night and think about our friends who are near and far. Next question is, are these sentences true or false? And first sentence is, the poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. And this sentence is false. Next sentence is, the poet says that stars will always shine at night. And it is true. Our next sentence is, the poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. And it is true. Now let us learn some compound words. So kids, compound words are formed when two or more words are joined together to create a new word, and that has an entirely new meaning. Let us start. Moon plus light, moonlight. Here, moon is a different word and light is a different word. And by joining together, a new word formed, moonlight. So, this is a compound word. Now, let us see some more examples. Break plus fast, breakfast. Good plus night, good night. Water plus fall, waterfall. Day plus break, daybreak. Rain plus bow, rainbow. Now, let us find a word in the poem which is the opposite of the following words. So, let us learn some opposites. War, peace. Light, dark. Enemies, and the opposite of enemies is friends. Night, day. Gentle, harsh. start. And the opposite of start is cease. Now move to the next question. Write the full forms of the following words. Didn't. And the full form of didn't is did not. Shouldn't. And the full form of shouldn't is should not. Wouldn't. Yes, tell me. Correct. Would not. Couldn't. And full form of couldn't is could not. Mustn't. And full form of mustn't is must not. Okay kids, now let us learn some homophones. So kids, homophones are words that sound the same but have different meaning and spelling. They sound similar but have different meaning and spelling. So let us see some examples of homophones. Two, T-O-O-2 and TWO2. Here TWO2 means also or extremely, and TWO2 means the number 2. Next example is 1, ONE1 and WON1. Here ONE1 means the number 1, it is a number, and WON1 it is the past tense of verb win. Next homophones are dear, DEER dear and DEAR dear. Here DEER deer is a animal with bony antlers, and DEAR means it refers to an affectionate or friendly form of address. Next example is son, SON son and SUN son. Here SON son means one's male child, and SUN sun is a star that is the basis of the solar system and the source of heat and light. So it's all for today. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the poem. Don't be afraid of the dark. So such more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.